a fantastic way to zhuzh up your classic hummus. I'm going to be adding some Manuka honey to give it a lovely sweetness. So first up, some chickpeas. These are just canned chickpeas that I've rinsed really well into a food processor, along with some tahini. So we're going to give it a nutty flavour. Some cumin, so just some ground cumin, and some garlic. Now, I don't want to put a whole clove of garlic because it will overpower our hummus. So just add about 1/4 of a fat clove. Fantastic. Now some acidity, so the juice of 1 lemon, but this is a large lemon and it is very juicy. So we'll start with half. And chickpeas, they just need a lot of flavour for them to shine. So that's why I'm adding a lot of that lemon and also the honey. Did you know Manuka honey has some remarkable properties? I'm going to be using this one. I love it because it's got that creamy finish to it. And of course, it's a natural sweetener. So a generous spoonful of that. Look at that glorious texture. We'll just pop that into our food processor, along with a splash of water. And don't forget, when you're making hummus, you need to add some extra virgin olive oil. So a good glug of that. As it starts to blend, I will add some more oil and a good pinch of salt. Okay, lid on, and we're going to blend until it's really creamy. All right, the hummus is ready. It's glossy. That's what I'm after. See how it's not too chunky? Fantastic. Now, this is great just with some crackers, but if you want to take it to the next level, this is a great side dish. Get your honeyed hummus and place it onto a plate. So a sharing plate. Spread it out all the way to the sides. Just like this. And I've cooked some sweet potatoes 160 degrees for about 1.5 to 2 hours in their skins, so you retain all that gorgeous sweetness. Pull them apart and just tear them and pop them in the hummus. This is so yummy, little vegetarian option. Got another one, skin and all. So much flavour in the skin too. And to dress it, some cheese of your choice. You could use some feta. I'm using some buffaletta. We'll just grate that over the top. And some gorgeous mint. A little sumac. And just because I'm getting really excited about this honeyed hummus, some more Manuka honey. I'll just drizzle it over the top. The sweetness really makes a difference. It's not traditional in a hummus, but it works yummo. If someone makes me that when I come to their house, I'm going to be pretty impressed. Enjoy.